is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. The news outcome was very bad for US, but what is surprising, yeah, it's very bad for US, so it's actually a buy. So you can see Euro is taking US very far, and the NAS, which is NDS USD, is taking US very far as well. So you can see the outcome of the news is actually favorable. You can see I've added some trend lines here just before the news, so that I can have complete visibility, and it turned out very nice, very awesome. So this news was actually so profitable for me. I couldn't come online because I needed to focus. I have not made real profit this week. So you can see I got in here. I set a buy stop above this level, and I got in, but because of news release and everything, there was $48 slip. I mean, yeah, 48 pips slip. And after that, I got in, closed partials at 74 pips and closed full at 152 pips, 153 pips per se. So I made my money already, but then I have to come to stream because I have people who are waiting for me. I couldn't come online, really. I couldn't trade. If I had streamed this news, then I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make money as the way I'm supposed to, unfortunately. But then let's see if we can catch one or two things here. Okay. So how are you, Simeon? How are you, Marvin? Kilima, you didn't come on yesterday. What happened? I was looking for you yesterday. I looked out for you, man. I was literally clamoring for you to come and teach us something new. But then you ran away from us yesterday, Mr. Marvin. What happened? What was the news outcome? I stayed out to watch and learn after the news. After the loss this morning. Oh, did you lose from? I hope you didn't lose much from Euro USD trade. I lost as well, by the way. I just lost track of time for a split of seconds, and then I turned back, the price was above. I just have to close everything and update you guys. But for us, so why did we buy? I'm confused. Why did NAS buy? NAS actually bought. Oh, elections in Kenya. Oh, Mervin, that's nice. So who won? Is the presidential election or gubernatorial election? Which of them was it? So what is this? Something data error. I need to refresh this. Exactly. Yeah, this has been stagnant for some time. Yeah. So let's refresh and see. Because of CPI news release, a lot of liquidity servers are down. See? Oh my God, are you kidding me? Tradingview is actually down. Whoa. This is insane, guys. This is insane. Okay, so Nasdaq, let's get this straight, guys. So Nasdaq is just like every other currency pair, right? But then it's simply Nasdaq versus USD. Okay, this is Nasdaq pair. Okay, so if you see Nasdaq, if the news is bad for US, then it means that Nasdaq is going to take US all the way up. It's going to overpower US and take US up. This is a rival. US is a rival of US dollars is some sort of rival to Nasdaq, right? They are paired together. When the news is bad for US, Nasdaq goes up. When news is good for US, Nasdaq goes down because US is going to drag Nasdaq down. Okay, that in similar fashion, Euro USD, when we have let's see, 1 second, copy paste. In similar fashion, when we have Euro USD, when the news is good for us, for USD, Euro takes your when the news is good for USD, USD takes Euro down, right? When it's bad for USD, Euro takes USD up. So this is what you should be looking at, okay? And election in my country in Kenya, it was full national election, so I was busy with that. All right, my friend, you didn't miss anything yesterday. I think we won just one trade and nothing else. Nothing really happened yesterday, so that's it. So how was your trade today, Mervin? Okay, I just checked, dropped a lot. I understand now. Okay, just have that understanding. But then in news, I'm going to advise you use only quarter risk. Okay, it makes sense if you use quarter risk alone. Okay, that's my advice to you. Okay, I wanted to use full risk, but then I asked myself a few questions. If things go against me, am I going to survive? I'm pretty much sure I'm going to lose up to 70% of my account. So because of the speed. For instance, I have two of my friends today that lost. One lost to 29,000. The other one, he didn't declare how much he lost, but then he didn't declare nothing. He just declared that he lost. The price, his stop loss was not hit. As a result, price took off with his money. I pray God he did not, record 100% loss. I just pray God he didn't lose his account. So you can imagine all those drama and stuff later, right? And then one other friend of mine made $40,000 in less than 1 minute. Can you imagine, guys? This is awesome. Really. This is awesome. Forex is fun. Okay. How long have you been trading, Mr. Kingsley? No trades today for me. I'm glad I didn't, because I think I would have lost as well. Oh, my dear. That makes sense, right? So any day you feel you're going to be a mess, just stay out of the markets, okay? Because I call it being a mess, because when you lose, you are in a mess. I mean, if you understand what I mean, it's all connected, right? It's all connected. So okay, sorry, I was actually Okay, guys, back to analysis. So we have few seconds until 1 hour closes. The question now is what's going to happen from here. Let's start from daily to see if we can actually. I think price may be heading for this level, guys. Let me clear everything here before I continue. Remove drawings. I think price for, oh sorry, NAS. Nobody's interested in Euro USD. I know. Apologies for that, guys. I think price may be pretty much okay. May be interested in this level, in this 13500. Okay, and but then let's just mark out this level so that we can know how X to react to price action as a result of this news. Okay, so 4 hours. 4 hours is going to prompt me to move this up a little bit. Okay, and then for let's see how many pips do we have here. Oh, that's nice. 1 hour. In 1 hour, let's see, 1 hour, we have some noise around here, so we better mark out this noise level so that we don't fall victim of any thing. Okay, so let's see, how are we sure that actually this is not smart money stuff playing out here? So you can see this price perfectly fits into smart money zones, but then I'm not a smart money trader, so I'm just looking out for something that suits me. So looking at this 1 hour candle, is this candle a tradable candle? I would say, well, I don't know. I have to wait. Okay, I know I have how many pips a week here. I have 50 pips week, but then I just need some further confirmation. I just, with this magnitude, with this massive move here, right? I need price to actually flow down a little bit before it continues moving upwards. If it doesn't, it makes sense if I actually ignore that. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Well, I'm not going to tell you that I'm anticipating anything, because right now, after this move, you remember what happens after news, guys? You remember what I normally say after news? After news, at least 70% of the news, I assume, is going to be corrected, right? So let's wait for some sort of retracement. But then that correction, I want us to be part of it, okay? I want us to be 100% part of that correction, which I'm expecting to see some nice trigger now. If I see some trigger, now I'm going to jump in for us to see some price movement down. But then looking at candle, formations like this, you expect, some breaks along the way. So we're going to take advantage of this breakage here to exit the market. Okay, so 91 pips. So let's see how this is not happening just now, guys. You have to be patient, like very, very patient. Okay, we have to be patient for this to for the formation to finish. If it finishes, then we can take advantage of it. Okay, so as a result of this, I'm switching to 10 minutes so that I can get good price. We can get in at a very nice price. Okay, all you need to do is to set your lot size, set your lot sizes, and make sure you're not being greedy. You're not risking more than you can afford to lose. Okay, be ready. Then when I call the trade, we jump in. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to label everything here, and let's see. So this is a no trade zone. Okay, I wouldn't advise anyone to trade in this area because it's just full of noise, unnecessary noise. Okay, so the entry area is just gonna be here. Entry is around here, right here. Yes. Okay, my baby girl is learning how to trade, so you guys should please accommodate her. Let's accommodate her because she wants to trade like a daddy. Excuse me. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, so let's see. This is a no trade zone, just FYI. Unless we see a nice formation, that's why we can attempt to risk our money at that level. Okay, so another level for us to mark, and for those of us who are very stubborn, who wouldn't close positions until they start losing, this is your final target. Okay. don't mind me, I'm kidding. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see. So this is actually something we are looking at. Break and closure of 10 minutes below here. We can actually hop in to see if we can make some profits. Okay, guys, please risk quarter. You need to use only quarter risk. You need to use just quarter risk. Okay, do not forget we are also waiting for NYC open to see how price is actually going to react to our levels. Okay, so let's see. Volume came into the market, but that volume already died down because buyers already took away from sellers, a lot of sellers. Okay, so after taking all this kind of taking advantage of sellers in this way, they all cashed out. What is happening here right now is that buyers are taking profits. Okay, after taking profits, NYS is going to open and then it's going to bring back volume into the market. Okay, so that is what we expect to happen. No matter what happens today, guys, I want you to do not expect more than 30 pips today. Why? Because seeing this candle, you don't expect the next candle to just come and just move down. Man, we're not magicians. I mean, nobody's a magician here. Okay, so what we expect to happen is if price begins to go down, we take 30 pips and call it a day. Okay, so let's all respect ourselves. So there's no news, so we expect some level of instability in market for some time until market stabilizes. Okay, let's see. Just allow this level to be broken. If it gets broken, then we can continue. We hope for price to continue moving down. Do not forget something very importantly. This is an important level. If you don't remember, this is a very important level, right? So it could be that price hit this area and it's smart money, whatever it's called, price make you know what I mean. So you just have to be careful. Let's see if we're going to see, if we are good enough to see one of our setups in 10 minutes. That is going to be pretty much very perfect. Gold almost fully retraced that move. You see what I'm talking about? So every single news movement is always, history has it that they always get corrected as per history. If you want to see what I'm talking about, begin to go back in time. How do you know the news days? Just in case you are new to news, all you need to do, click on this folder. Okay, go to details, open details, then see the previous news days. Go to this date and check the same time, 4:30. Go to this date, check all of them. Yesterday I did myself a favor. I looked at this date, and this date. So if you are trading forex without making some personal research, I don't know where you're heading to. You need to start making some personal research. When you see news that made a lot of move, go back to previous history to see how they have behaved. Find something similar that you can, something similar that you can hold on to. Before, I don't normally take trades during news. Suddenly I picked in trades because I was able to study. I studied, and I came to understand how news move, right? That is why I keep telling you guys, for every news move, at least 80 to 90% of them gets corrected, up to 70%, something like that. I don't know how I have given out the information before, though. Just take it the way you see it, unfortunately. Oh, Marvin, my friend, you are actually correct. Gold retraced every single. What is this, man? God damn it! How can gold release about 1,006? Is it 160? Yeah, I could call this 160 because this is actually 10 pips, 20 pips. Yeah, 160 pips, and corrects up to 120 pips in less than 1 hour. Gold is insane, guys. You see why I don't trade gold? Gold is stupid. Gold is stupid, guys. Damn. All we need to do today is just to wait for the opportunity, the right opportunity to take trades. Okay, we have to wait. If I don't see it now, I was hoping on something to form here, but that stuff has been invalidated. Okay, what I was waiting for has been invalidated. Let me go to 15 minutes and see if I'm going to get any valid signal here, because you can't be too sure of what is going to happen here. This is 1 hour, a very long candle. So if you don't have a confirmation before you get in, it means you are at risk of getting a flip. Like, when this candle flips, price is going to continue going and going up, and there's nothing you can do about it. It will take your money and smile. So always wait for confirmation. I know some of you may be pretty much very sad because you've not made money today. Perhaps you in your mind you'll be like, this guy made money today, that's why he's just ranting and blah blah. But then that's not the reason. That's the way I talk. In case you're joining us for the first time, this is the way I talk. I talk a lot. Okay, guys, can we try something here? I have a feeling, not a feeling. I think this is gonna work out. Okay, this week fail. It has failed already, but without anything. For those of us who are the strength, it's just very small risk. Okay, that's about 33 pips, and risk only use only quarter risk. Okay, I'm gonna use just quarter risk and nothing else. Quarter risk and nothing else. This is gonna be 10 minutes, right? Yes, 10 minutes. The break of that low, I'm gonna get in. The break of that low, I'm gonna get in. Why am I getting in? Because news is supposed to be corrected as per historical behavior. But do not forget, historical data is not a guarantee that it's gonna happen again, right? So you just better be careful. Okay, guys? The break of that low, you get in. Okay? Let's see. I'm just hoping that NYSE Open is going to give us I'm just hoping that it's going to give us nice opportunity for price to just at least hit our TP before it starts dancing around, going to anywhere it wants to go to. Okay, I didn't put this target here because I know some of us are very stubborn. Once they see target here, they'll be like, oh my god, it's very nice. They will never leave. They will never even close partials. They will never even move their stop loss to BE. They're gonna wait until they have lost, then they'll start cursing me. So yeah, price is gonna go down. Definitely, it's gonna go down. EURUSD seems to be more signal friendly this afternoon. Do I see? Yeah, it's afternoon for me. I don't know what it is for you. Looks like it's gonna be more signal friendly. Wow, it's moving down already in Euro USD. Euro USD is already pushing down. It's nice, very nice. But then I didn't catch that on time. Let's just see. If this 10 minutes closes below as bearish, then we hope that the break of the low, we're going to also risk quarter risk on Euro USD. I'm waiting for this break. I'm also waiting as well. I want to take the trade with you guys. I don't want to discriminate or, you know, ask you guys to do something that I'm not going to do. Okay. Do not forget, do not get into any position until this low is broken. Okay. You can clearly see the low is not broken yet. Just in case you're wondering, you can see the low is not broken yet. Okay. Let's see. Euro USD, are you still moving? Darling, you need to wait for us. Okay, you don't need to be too fast. Come on, what the hell is happening here, guys? I don't like this. These things are closing without lower wick and bottom wick, and it's not something I'm not a fan of this kind of closures. That's my problem right now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, a lot of messages, but you didn't tell us how long. Hab, the hell are you saying? Have you been trading, sir? I entered a sell on one quarter risk as well. Are you getting in before open? Nice. If you got into a sell, that's pretty awesome. It's nice. I think I'm gonna risk it from here. It's okay. It's fine. I mean, or should I wait? Yeah, let me wait for confirmation. I don't want to be so cocky. Yeah, guys, so I've been trading since 2007, just in case you've been asking. I just summoned the courage to start live streaming, you know, a while ago. So before I couldn't talk to public. I mean, I can actually talk in public, but then I do not have the courage. Do I use the word courage to, you know, come online and, you know, I'm not a good teacher. Just simply put, I'm not a good teacher. Okay, that's why I've been on a low key for a long time. But then now I started already. Thank God for someone in my group. I don't know if she's still there. She encouraged me to start, and today we are there. We're getting somewhere. So that's it. This person encouraged me a lot to start, and I started. And look at this. Look at us today. We are heading somewhere. Especially now that I've discovered some unique, you know. Some people call it Holy Grail. It's not Holy Grail, by the way, but then it's something very special, something very unavoidable. That is why, and this time around, I'm not giving it out for free. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a video on that. I'm not gonna review that. I'm just gonna make a video of me trading the strategy. I'm not gonna showcase the strategy. Just a video of myself trading it and the enormous profit it is giving me. Then anybody who is interested can actually take advantage of that, okay, by, you know, reaching out. Perhaps it could be on the website. Then the person can just subscribe and get it, okay. That's it. So I hope I've answered your question, Simeon. Awesome. Many years. Thanks for starting your live stream. Yes. If you observe, you're going to see that for some time now we've not had a very solid bearish force. If you observe, you're going to see we've not had a very solid bearish force. Why is that? That is because I believe a lot of people are beginning to use it now. Perhaps you guys got hold of the strategy and you shared it to some people, and so people are making money from it. And when people begin to make money from a certain setup, you know, there is a very high tendency that liquidity providers are going to reverse engineer that setup. Okay. So that is why this time around I just choose to give it to, I wanted to give it to 25 people, but no, I'm just going to give it to only 10 people. The first 10 people who are going to subscribe, after the 10th subscription, is going to be disabled online. Like automatically, it's going to be disabled automatically online. So once it is ready, I just want to make a video of how it works. I mean, where it is working, not how it works. Where it is working, then I'm going to share. Whoever's interested should just go online and get a copy of the strategy. Okay. And guys, forgive me, but it's gonna be super expensive. Do not worry, Simeon. Currently, I've not decided. Okay, I'm still weighing. Because one thing is to create a strategy, and another thing is for the strategy to last. Because when a lot of people start making use of this strategy, they are going to reverse engineer it, and once it's been reverse engineered, it will become. I'm sorry. Apologies in advance. It will become shit. Okay. Okay, I want to subscribe. Please do let me know when it's ready. It's okay. Don't worry. Everybody will know. I will let everyone. I'm going to announce it as well during my live stream. Don't worry about it, okay? It's going to be pretty much very expensive, guys. So prepare your mind. Okay. Let's see if this guy is going to trigger a position or not. If wishes were horses, beggars are going to ride, right? So if wishes were horses, I'm going to say I'm going to get in here, and then if NYSE opens, price is going to continue to go down continuously until it hits 70% at least this level, until it hits 131.26. But then we don't deal with wishes here, right? We deal with analytics, pure analytics here, guys. There's no holy grail here. Okay, let's see. I'm going to stop switching. I'm just going to leave this alone so that we can see whether this is going to work or not. Okay. Do not forget, don't adjust your stop loss, please. It's very important that you do not adjust your stop loss. Just leave it at 33 pips. If it breaks, fine, let it go. If it breaks, it's okay, let it go. Okay. Then we can catch another cruise. Do not worry. Okay, you can see we have a nice confirmation here. This guy, 15 minutes, it has not moved bearish at all. Okay, so perhaps it may trigger us in awe. If it closes like this, the break of this low is going to trigger some massive move to the downside. Let's see. I just have issue with this because right here is a very long candle, bullish candle. Okay, so there is a very high possibility that price is actually going to break above here and continue going up. That is why I'm skeptical about this trade, right? Perhaps it's not the right time for NAS to correct all these moves. The fact that gold is insane officially, you guys know that already, right? Because for gold to have finished, made this kind of move and corrected it already within 30 minutes, it means that gold is insane. I mean, if you are trading gold, you better be careful, guys. Better be careful. Very, very, very careful. Okay. So this is what I call power of confirmation. Okay. We are waiting for confirmation, and then we are not getting that confirmation. Price is just dancing around, right? So had it been you got in before this confirmation comes, perhaps maybe by now you will hate yourself. You're going to be done. Your mind is going to be racing up and down. Oh my God, I don't want to lose this money. So, and then one thing to do, not to have your mind, not to have peace of mind, right, is to use an affordable risk. Simeon, nope, I don't trade full time. If I trade full time, then I'm gonna be at luxury to stream every Monday, right? I don't trade full time, really. I trade part time. That's why you see me. I have a specific time. At this time, I'm gonna make myself available for you, okay? Then on a Monday, I'm always available in the morning, all throughout, okay? Okay, I think it's gonna happen now, guys. I'm gonna jump in. Once price hits my sell stop, I'm gonna jump right in and make massive profit. So the question is, what is price action really doing? So if price actually eventually goes back, then our stop loss is actually going to change. Okay, let's just hope it doesn't go back so I can call this a day. I can't see any confirmation, guys, unfortunately. I'm not going to fake it. I don't fake trade. I trade for real. Okay, so how is it going to be? Okay, it makes sense. I'm going to remove this since we are about to enter NYSE open, okay? So let's see. In less than 2 minutes, NYSE is gonna blow open. The door is gonna blow open and some bells are gonna ring. Okay, guys, less than 50 seconds. Make sure you join my Telegram channel, guys. Join my Telegram channel so that you can get more of my updates. Okay, I update, and guess what? I'm very humble. In reality, I'm not, but in my group, I'm very humble. because you never can know the billionaire that is following you, and when you make a lot of noise, you see jail. Okay, guys, I hope you've set your, let me see, I hope I've set my, okay, I'm ready. I'm finally ready. Let me close this position. Yes, nice. So guys, let's see. If this continues to move up without any lower wick, I don't think I'm going to take it. I'm sorry. Please give us a lower wick. If you want to go up, give us bottom wick at least. Respect us. Can someone tell this guy to respect us, please? See what's going to happen, guys. If it doesn't give us a lower wick and it crosses yeah, nice. I love what I'm seeing now. Now I have two options, right? I am left with two options. Let's see, man. Even with NYS, you guys, there's no volume. The market is dried, man. Okay, guys, here is our entry. Okay, I'm in, guys. I'm in already. Let's see how market trades. So this is actually is similar to bearish force. I just hope it treats us fine. Do not forget quarter risk, okay? Because after this move, if you lose your money after missing this move, I don't think you're going to be happy with yourself, okay? Make sure you are risking very little amount of money, please. If you still don't believe what is happening, just be out. Just stay out until you see some volume coming, okay? If what you are seeing is you are not okay with what you are seeing, please stay out until you see sufficient volume, okay? That's going to be my advice to you. It's not too far to exit. If you still want to exit, it's not too far. The price is still very close. At least it has not hit 46 stop loss, 46 pips stop loss. So if it hits, if it goes, price drops below this level, then I'm gonna sell. I'm not gonna wait for anything. I'm just gonna close and sell. Okay, guys, I've closed out my position. Okay, closed out my position, and I'm selling now. So if it goes against me again, this is my previous strategy. I just executed these positions using my previous strategy. Just to make sure that everyone here gets something, right? So the question I have for myself is how am I going to enter this in my playbook? That is the question. So what actually am I going to report to my playbook that I did? 50. Let's leave it at 50 pips. Nice and fine. Nice and fine. All right. Let's see. I'm not gonna if I see volume, I'm just gonna close at 30 pips, like 100% closure. Okay, I'm not gonna close partials. 30 pips, 100% closure. That is if I see the volume, if price doesn't stop me out. Let's see. CPI was, for me, it was profitable, and to some people it was insane. I have a couple of my friends, they actually lost a lot of money. They literally lost a lot of money, like a lot of money. They lost up to 70% of their accounts. And I'm not talking about $1,000. I'm not talking about $2,000 account. I'm talking about literally about 100,000, 200,000, 250,000, 400,000 accounts. That is what these guys lost up to 70% to 80% of. Some of them lost 90%. I don't know what actually happened today. There was some issues with stop loss. I don't know why that's actually happened. So NAS, which way? Which way, guys? Which way? So guys, let me just technically tell you why I have the mind to open 2 positions. Okay, first one is that we have a week to fill here, right? And this week is not completely filled, and there's a huge possibility that price was actually going to flip and continue going up. Okay, that was my reason for buying, and then it failed. Okay, I was able to manage my risk on time. I don't even care if this particular position hits my stop loss again. I wouldn't mind. Okay, because I've given it my best today. Okay, and secondly, I got in sell and got into sell position because of 2 reasons. One, because after a very after a news influenced move, okay, there is normally retracement up to at least 70% of that news inflation. I mean news move, okay, of the volume released by news. Okay, there's usually 70% move, counter move. Okay, and secondly, the second reason why I have the mind to open sell is because we are at this level. Okay, so this level could actually be a smart money level. Okay, so I wanted to exploit that option to just sell until 132.11, which is actually a realistic area. If price crosses this area, then it's fine, but I'm just going to close at that level. Okay, so let me see if I have hit 30 pips. Oh, price is going down. Man, can someone talk to this price? I don't have strength for this up down today. I don't have strength. I just want 30 pips and I'm going to close everything. Just want 30 pips alone. That's all I want. That's all I crave for. I crave for it, technically. That's nice, Son Max. Congrats to you. Make sure whatever thing you did, you can replicate it next time, okay? Like I always advise everyone, okay? If you can't replicate it, you need to hit yourself and stop. Hit yourself, advise yourself and stop to avoid a crying day. But then I'm not trying to discourage you, my dear. Just congrats to you, okay? Big congrats to you. Man, really, I don't know what's does it mean my Levi, I don't have Levi anymore. I don't have the, I don't know how to interpret whatever I'm thinking in English, but it has to do with endurance or whatever. I'm not patient with this trade. I just want this trade to rush down so I can close and go home. Really, that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, first trade was Wakefield. Guys, I'm still here. I'm just trying to fill the Okay, so we've recorded another loss today. Whoa. Our strategy is suffering. Why? Why is it suffering, guys? Okay, guys, if we are wise enough, you should be breaking even now. That is, if you want to break even. I didn't want to break even, but just for the sake of this, I'm just gonna break even just for the sake of this live stream. It makes sense if I follow the one method every day, right? You know what? I'm just gonna close out. I don't care about any break even, right? I don't care about any break even. I don't care about any break even. Do not get me wrong. Price may still go down here, but I just don't. I'm not patient with this. This is nonsense. It wants to move and moved once, and then for us to get a trade, it's just moving up and down. This I don't like this kind of move. You know, if you are observant, you're gonna see NYC didn't come with enough volume. It just came with the volume is dried up completely. So this is not what I want to do every day, right? I want to get a trade that works, not trade that I'm gonna be begging to move. But I'm gonna make a promise here, okay? I'm gonna leave my chat open. If I see any trade, 30 minutes or 1 hour, I'm gonna drop it on the group, on the Telegram group, okay? 30 minutes or 1 hour. All these 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they're just insane, if you understand what I mean. Again, do not get me wrong, we still have a good move to the downside, okay? But I don't have the energy. I think I've exhausted my energy today. My energy is completely exhausted, so I need to stay out of the market now. Price is still gonna drop, okay? If it drops, fine. If it doesn't drop, what? You just made loss. Why? What do you, please, may I know how did you make loss, Simeon? Can you let us understand, please? I'm gonna patiently wait. I just want to understand how you made the loss. I mean, because the loss initial loss was there, right? I know, yes, I appreciate, but then this trade is still on, right? I mean, I closed man. I advise people to move to break even. I closed man already, right? So what is the issue? Let me know, please. But are you in NAS sell? Did you take our NAS sell position? That's number one. Number two, are you over risking? If you're over risking, then I cannot help you. Because for me to be normal and talk every day, even sometimes I come on live stream even after recording some losses. That is because I'm able to control the risk. If I'm not able to control the risk, then I cannot come on live stream to talk to anyone after recording a loss. You know what I mean, right? So let me know, do you use proper risk management? Do you over risk? That's number one question. Number two, did you take the second trade? At least second trade should give you 30 pips. Like I said, I want 30 pips and that is it, I'm out. Can you see it even give us 41 pips? Give us close to what we lost in NAS already today. So let me know, please, okay? What am I doing? Okay, now, so this is actually what I feel is going to happen now. Okay, so this guy has broken below this this previous sorry, this should be actually, oh, no, guys, don't worry. I thought that is actually 30 minutes. Yes, my account is fine. I closed in loss. I didn't take second trade. My courage is down. I will come back. Okay, I love this. I love this. It's okay, guys. If your courage is down, please don't take any more trades, okay? Please, again, I lose 1 to 2 trades every day. 1 to 2 trades. If I lose 1 and lose 2, and then maximum, if I try the third time and I lose as well, then I'm going to stay out of market, okay? So that's a nice decision from Simeon Conley. Very nice decision from you, okay? Keep that up. I love that. I love that courage, okay? Keep it burning. Okay, guys, for me, I think I'm done. I'm done for this. I'm done for today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I made money today, yes, but psychologically, I'm not sound now. Okay, I need to come back tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, same time. I'm not gonna stream in the morning. It's gonna be same time in the evening. Catch you guys. Do not forget, price. No matter what price does, it's gonna still move down. It's still gonna move down to at least this level, at least 130, 127. Okay. So but then if you want to get into the market, I'm going to advise you to wait for this level, right? Because once price comes to at least 130, 131 area, as in 130.89, that is do I say 13,001 area, whatever. I don't know how to explain that, the number. Okay, I'm going to just call the digits. 13000 and 13100. Once price comes to these areas, okay, and you see any formation, any of our formation, be it weak fill or bearish force, okay, what you need to do is to take advantage of this for price to continue going up, okay. But then if you see any formation around this area that points towards price moving to sales, you can go ahead and take them as well, okay. See you guys tomorrow, guys. I'm really not in a psychological state to talk about nothing about trees today. See you guys. Bye bye, everyone.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying